Hello everyone, Miss Jessie here. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Storytime and Craft. Today we're celebrating something really fun. It is officially the first day of winter. It may have felt like winter at your house for quite some time now because it's been chilly and snowy. But as far as the calendar goes, it wasn't truly winter until today, December 21st. So happy winter, everybody. Today I have the perfect story to read. It says, Goodbye, Autumn. Hello, winter. So we're saying goodbye to the fall time and welcoming winter. As we read the story, your detective eyes may notice that at the beginning of the story, it's very fall looking. The illustrator used lots of fall colors and leaves, and then as I'm turning the pages in reading, you'll start to notice the changing of the seasons and how it starts to look more and more like winter. Are you ready? Goodbye, Autumn. Hello, Winter by Kenard Pak. Hello, late autumn afternoon. Hello, leaves. Hello. Now that the wispy winds have come, we fall from the oak tree branches and are swept into the sky. So we had this a few weeks ago, maybe even a month ago, where we had lots of leaves falling from our trees. Hello, robins and cardinals. Hello. We're ready to fly far, far south. The birds are preparing to fly south for the winter, where it's warmer for them. Hello, horse and sheep. Hello, deer. Hello. Soon it will be cold, and we'll stay inside our stables. We're eating the last of the leaves and berries. Our fur is becoming thicker for the coming winter. So not only do the trees and the weather change coming to winter, animals' bodies change and get ready for a new season as well. So their coats, their fur, and their hair are becoming thicker so that they'll stay warm and cozy. Hello, chrysanthemums and daisies. Hello. Even though it's colder, the sunlight warms our leaves and petals. We'll stay a little longer until winter comes. Hello, setting sun. Hello, the evenings are longer and the shadows reach farther across the streets. Now, this is something you may have noticed for a little bit, that maybe now when you and your family are eating dinner, you may look out the window and it's already dark outside or starting to get dark. It happens quicker. It means that the sun is setting and there's more time of darkness and the moon and stars. Hello, clouds. Hello. We cover the sky like a downy, soft blanket. So it's almost starting. The pictures are looking a little bit grayer. They're not as vibrant colors. Hello, North Star. Hello, peeking between clouds, I shine on the darkest nights. Hello, evergreens. Hello. Our pine needle branches shiver in the wind while you sleep. So it's getting a little bit darker and colder. Winter is coming. Hello, silent night. Shh, I quiet the juniper and maple trees. Look at how beautiful. The snow is falling. Hello, frost and icicles. Hello. We decorate the windows and hang from the eaves. So icicles are forming. Hello, snowflakes. Hello. We fall in a white misty curtain and muffle all the sounds around you. That's something else that I have noticed in the winter time, that sometimes when it's snowing outside and we get ready to go outside and we're playing, if you stop, you'll notice it's really quiet. It's like the snow blankets our earth and it makes it quiet. Goodbye, autumn. Beautiful winter picture. I do spy one more sign of fall, though. Do you see it? There's one little leaf hanging on that tree, on the little branch. Hello, winter. They used that leaf for the snowman's hat. How fun. The end. I just love that story, and I love that as you're reading the words and looking at the pictures, you can notice all the changes that happen around us as it turns from fall to winter. So today, I thought we needed to make a beautiful winter tree. So in your kits, you should have a blue piece of paper with a tree shape on it, a little tub of white paint. You'll have a snowball. It's a little cotton ball, so it won't melt. And clothespin. You're probably thinking, Miss Jessie, why do I have this? Well, the clothespin we're going to use to make our paintbrush. So we're going to open and close with our pincher fingers, and then you're going to stick the pom-pom inside so it sandwiches it. So now it's stuck in there, and this is what we're going to use with our paint. And then there's one more silly thing. You're probably thinking I got confused and I just put it in there to be silly. You have a sugar packet, and our sugar packet is something we're going to use last. And we're going to use it to sprinkle sugar on top of the wet paint. And you'll see it's going to make the paint look so beautiful. Are we ready? All right, I'm going to tilt you down. Ready? So you can see we can do it together. So if you have all your supplies together. So I have my paper. I'm going to tilt just a little bit more. My paintbrush and my paint. So let's uncover that to get ready. And you'll notice that there's just a little bit of paint, and that's okay. Because if I gave you a lot of paint, your cotton ball would end up getting very soggy. So I gave you just a little bit. We're going to dip it in, and you can think where your tree is. Is your tree going to be out in a blizzard or a big snowstorm? Is it going to be in a spot where there's only a little bit of snow? You can choose, and then you can just start dabbing. It's almost like you're stamping. We're just pressing down to make our snowy tree. See my snowball? I'm going to even do some around the top. And then I'm going to pretend that my tree is in a forest where it is still snowing. So I'm going to put some snow falling from the sky. And if it's falling from the sky and landing on my tree, some may also land on the ground. So I'm going to put some snow on the ground. And there's my snow tree, my winter tree. So now all my paint is still wet. It hasn't dried. I'm going to take my sugar packet and I'm going to try to tear just a little bit of it. And then I'm going to actually hold my hand out like a cup and I'm going to sprinkle it. See how I sprinkled some? And then using my pinching fingers, I'm going to grab a little bit and sprinkle it on top of my picture. And it turns the white paint into sparkly snow. Keep pinching some of it on. And then I have to put some on my bottom too, on the ground. As I'm doing it, it almost sounds like snow, or like when the snow gets a little bit of ice, like it's a little bit icy. It almost sounds like that. You'll have to see if yours, when the sugar hits your paper, if it sounds like that. So now when you tip it up, you may have some extra sugar that kind of wiggles down towards the bottom of your paper. And that's okay. We'll just have to make sure that we're helpers to help clean up. And you can sprinkle some of it into the trash can or a paper. So here is my beautiful winter tree. I hope you enjoyed making your winter tree. And then when it's dry, you can display it or even frame it for everyone in your family to enjoy. Well, happy first day of winter, everybody, and thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.